Changing your subscription on GoodData can help you manage your account according to your needs. Follow these steps to successfully modify your subscription. Step 1. Log into your GoodData account. Visit the GoodData website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to subscription settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or subscription management section. This is typically found in the user profile menu or account settings tab. Step 3. Review current subscription. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Select new subscription plan. Browse through the available subscription options. Choose a plan that best fits your requirements and click on it to view more details. Step 5. Confirm changes and payment. After selecting your new subscription plan, follow the prompts to confirm your choice. You may need to enter payment information if there are any changes in pricing. Review the terms and finalize the changes. Once you have completed these steps, your subscription will be updated. Make sure to check your email for confirmation and any further instructions.